Why pay more when you can have the same performance? Yes, I found Lexy Jimmy JV51 in my search of budget yet performing cordless vacuum cleaner. Having 115 watts effective suction power, same as Dyson V8 and Roidmi F8, but a lot cheaper in price, and come with a lot of accessory including mattress brush and removable battery. As usual, I won't cover them one by one over here again. Do refer to my Jimmy JV51 unboxing video for details. Learn all their functions and features there. After use it for weeks, I'm impressed by its performance. Very useful being a cordless vacuum and powerful suction, no doubt. Plastic water bottle is totally out of shape and it can suck in all the stuff that you throw at, from the usual dust, larger long leaf, and even heavy mung beans with just single trip. Surprise! It performed very well on couple tests too. 2 suction power modes, low and high. Up to 50 minutes for low power mode, that great for hard floor. More than enough to clean my whole house with 100 square meters. High power mode lasts for 9 minutes, suitable for deep cleaning like mattress. And don't forget you can have extra battery to continue cleaning tasks. That's great. By the way, it takes almost 5 hours to fully charge. Yup, it has large 0.5 liter dustbin for longer cleaning. Easy to dump dust by just open the dustbin cap. It's simple and easy to clean the filter as well. Just remove them one by one will do. They can be cleaned with water too. Do dry them out before attach back. Yes, the included HEPA filter does help to block 99.97% of dirt from releasing to air. Powerful and effective suction with acceptable noise level. 67 dBA on low mode and 77 dBA on high power. About the same as Roidmi F8. Comfortable to use too. Again, modular design is very useful. Different tools can be used for different cleaning tasks. You can attach and remove with just single click of the button. Cordless without worry about length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning task, fast and easy for sure. And plenty of accessory helps to make the task even easier. Just use the right tool will do. Lightweight and portable, no doubt. That's all for Jimmy JV51 review, a budget yet performing vacuum. Do check out its promotion and buying link at below. Thumb up to support me, and thanks for watching. Peace.